be a great picture. It's good. Tower right next to Has everyone had a chance to get to the River Center Mall? A room of surprise for anybody. It is a mall. Like every other mall you've ever been to. Because it's the banks of a river, I guess that makes it kind of special. We're headed to the River Center Mall Lagoon right now. You can check it out for yourself. Our mall has 125 stores. There's a food court, an IMAX theater, a comedy club. We also have a purple store. I like purple stuff. That's all this stuff. Apparently there's the band for Purple Things and that's what we're at.
Yes, I love that.
She loves purple.
The lines are starting to get longer now. Wait till it's 9 o'clock. There's a blue sky. As we head around the lagoon, we should see a band playing. There's a band that plays around the lagoon area 7 days a week. It's called Andean Fusion of the Andes Mountains in Peru. It's named on traditional Peruvian instruments. They've been known to play, I think, for the last 7 carpenters, show tunes and opera. See the next one. See what they're playing, or they're playing. They take a lot of breaks. They work here 7 days a week. They don't play. Haven't seen them all day. Some days I think they're just other instruments out there. Going by the cinema. So I think getting ready to start something. So if the music does come on, I won't talk over it. While we head around the lagoon, please feel free to sing along. Children up there.
Claire, is it the lost and found for children up there? That's so funny to me.
I could leave that window. Indian dialect that means place of peaceful waters. You see this boat right in front of us here? It's Rio Taxi on the front. There's 2 checkered flags on the back. It is one of our river taxis. I'd like to get from place to place on the river and not have somebody tell you about everything. That's the way to do it. You can catch them anywhere you see them. Just yell taxi. If you wave at them, they'll wave right back.